2011 Nissan Rouge. This one, electrical diagnostic. Not exactly sure what's going on with this because it might have multiple failures, might have some unrelated, but the story goes that this vehicle came in for service and it was really gross inside, disgusting. So they pushed it out, but the window was down and it rained. And then they had a detailed, somewhat of a detail, I guess. It doesn't look like a great detail. But after that, the windows don't work. The radio, I don't think works. And the air conditioner doesn't work. I don't know if anything else is not working. But seats are still a little wet. But, we'll see. Alright, it does run. Let's see what's going on here. Looks like the radio's working to me. Let me shut this door. Whoa. I can hear them. Do any of the other windows work? No. Is there a window lock? Oh. I can't reach. Oh. Okay, so doesn't look like any of the windows are working. That works, the accessory, I guess. It's not doing anything. Looks like the headlights are on. Radio not working. Well, this is lit up. Radio works. I don't know what that is about. Okay. Fuse panel off. You can see it's still wet. I don't know what else to check. You see this. That's not the right button. This ain't doing anything either. This might all be related. When I operate the key fob, you can hear some relays clicking and you can see activity, but none of the locks are working. And also the horn, the panic, you can see that there's a panic thing going on. Everything is working, right? And the horn doesn't work. So that's just another thing to possibly look at on the wiring diagram. The wipers work. Well, some of this stuff works hands-free.
Attempting to connect to your phone. Please wait.
No. I don't know how to cancel that. Quit. Let's hit quit. I don't know what that is.
No phone found.
Yeah, no phone.
To add a phone now,
no.
After the beep, say add phone, replace phone, select phone, or no.
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 Yeah, it worked. Didn't really find anything. Fault codes are mostly TPMS. These I got to look into, but I think they are also related to the TPMS. Data stream. I did put like the door locks in here. Can hear some stuff coming through the speakers when I do that, and there's nothing going on there. If I activate It's getting the signal there. I'm holding it. You can see it's on. I'm off. So it's getting that. I just need to find the windows. I don't know where the windows are located. I don't think they're in here. Horn. See if this horn works. Okay, so the horn is not working. I don't think this has an HVAC thing. I don't think I can find anything with the codes and stuff. The scan tool is not very helpful. First thing I want to do, I do have a little bit of a voltage drop here. I got the headlights on. Battery was a little low. Oh, I don't want to lose that. But see if I can do this somehow. Hopefully that works. All right. If you come here, all right, on the outside of the terminal. On the inside, I got a slight amount. You see, it's less. It's almost zero when I touch that. So there's a little voltage drop there. And then we come to here. It looks pretty gnarly. All right. And we got more voltage drop. And then we come here. It's about the same. We go on this. We got more. And then right here. It's right about the same. I just want to eliminate this as any kind of variable. And that's probably not the problem. Like this. I want to contact the actual battery. There you go. So we got about 20. Milliamps. All right. Min-max, see what happens. Turn these headlights off for a second. Just wanted to wear the battery down a bit. Yeah. Not too bad, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna let that go. I'm not gonna worry about that right now. I just wanted to get that out of the way. I have the motor disconnected right now. I'm in line to where the power would be. So I got nothing. So what I want to try to do is I want to activate the switch manually with my power probe and see if that goes up and down. I'll know that this is good. I'll probably do it better from the switch here. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, so I got it bypassed. I'm going through here and something's wrong there. Something's jamming up. I can see it right there. So I just switched them around to reverse the polarity, but it's not even in the track. The window is not even in the track. I don't even know if you can see that in there. You see the run, and the window is, it's not even in the track. You can see it's in there. You see in there a little better. The window's not even, it's getting attacked by ants here. The window's not even in the run. So, to try to figure out how to get this in there, maybe I can get it up just high enough to where I can get to those bolts. Let me take a look. On a little bit of a recap here, my phone kept overheating, so I missed a lot. I got the window back into the track. I had to take the window completely out, and the regulator was all twisted up. So I got that to work, and I was able to manually go up and down. Testing the switch, I don't have any power coming from this here, which is the BCM. So that's kind of where I'm at. I still don't know if this switch is any good, as when I did supply power there, it didn't make any difference. They still didn't work. The switch could still be bad. I don't know. It looks like crap. I did take it apart, and there is a couple little spots, but nothing like standing out. I kind of wanted to leave that alone for now, because I just wanted to get the window up in case it rains again. The window is all the way down. Now I'm trying to tackle the AC system. We got 100 amp fuse, which I got to check. Comes in through here, goes to the relay. Is this focused? And it's the blower relay. 15 amp fuses. Those two 15 amp fuses are under the dash. The blower relay is under the dash. But if you look here, you got fuse 1 and fuse 8. These both go to AC amplifier. Okay, so the AC amplifier is basically the air conditioning head unit. Where's the BCM? Body control module, right? So we'll hit that and we'll follow this up here. There's the ECM. Those two, I got to follow those. These go to the AC amplifier. And where is 2 of 2? Right here to power distribution, left side of engine compartment. That's where I'm at right now. It would be nice if I can get both on one screen. That would be nice. Yeah, these are data lines. That's what these are. So it's looking like I'm going to the BCM, really, because the BCM controls the windows as well as the power windows, the power door locks. I gotta see if I'm getting any output. All right, I already tested this, but what I did was came here. Come on. All right, so fuse 1, which I did check underneath the dash, is good. All right, and out here at pin 1, that's this one down here, the bottom right there. That has power when the ignition switch is on, you know, hot run and start. And the other one, fuse 8, is hot at all times, and it is. I also checked the ground. The ground is good. So it looks like we're going back to the BCM again. I don't know why I'm avoiding going there. I'm finding all kinds of goofy looking, I don't know what that splatter is. It's all over everything. It smells in here. I just don't want to open that glove box. I'm not sure what I'm going to find. I wonder if I can get it to work from out here, just to see if the rest of the system is working. Blower motor, left side of HVAC. So this would be, let's turn that off for a second. I want to, so it looks like comes through here and gets grounded by that, which is red. So I'm going to see if I can operate that. All right, I got a back probe there. It's got power going through it, so that means that the power, this power is on, and it's going through the coils. So this should, if I ground it, yep. Okay, so they work. But this is not putting the signal out. See, I don't know what they did when they washed all this. I mean, I don't know if this is splatter. I don't know how much they washed it. And they said the window was open. I'm still thinking it's going to be the BCM. I'm on battery negative here. And if I go to the LAN, this is the purple one. Come on. What am I up to here? My battery voltage. Okay, this is LAN negative. And LAN positive is the green one. And this one is also at 13 volts. So it's battery voltage. It should have like a pulse Well, this thing is kicking my ass. But I found something. There's a connector here. Look at that. I'm willing to bet this is something that's important. So, I gotta figure out what this connector is, and I know it's for the doors and stuff like that, but it's already nasty in here. Look at all that. Oh, soaked. So, that's got to get fixed. Boy, oh boy. This one kicked my ass, dude. I found it though. At least I found something. I don't know if that's all it. I have the BCM apart. Got this all apart. This was already apart. I had to take it all apart further because the window was out of the track and it was down and it rained in here. And long story short, it was disgusting in here. And they sent it out to get detailed. And when they got it back, nothing. The window went down one time, and then they couldn't get it back up. And it rained, and then like nothing worked. The AC doesn't work. The windows don't work. The door locks don't work. It runs and drives though. 5 hours. 5 hours for that. Fuck. Kicked my ass. Nissan. Fucking hate them. Yeah. Oh boy. Freaking cooked. Whew. Man. I'd be surprised if there isn't some other stuff damaged. Oh boy. Wow. Lucky this car didn't burn to the ground. Wonder if the car will start with that removed. Yep, alright, that's good enough. I'd rather leave it connected. Or, I'm sorry, I'd rather leave it disconnected. Whew. Oh.